Is my lash coming off? Come on, girl, just hang in like 10 more minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dominique Cosmetics Latte Palette. This one right here. It's by Kristen Dominique. She is a beauty guru. Started out as a YouTuber and now she has created her own brand, which I think is amazing. This was her first product that she did come out with, so I'm going to be testing out this and seeing how the shadows blend, the pigment, everything. It comes in this little like shiny coppery sleeve. I think that's what it's called, sleeve. This sleeve. Alright, so this is the actual palette. Alright, so whenever you do open the palette, these right here are the shades. You get 10 shadows in the palette and there's 3 shimmer shades, these right here. And then the rest are matte, which I do love that you can make this like an everyday palette, or this is a palette that does have like a little bit of color going on in this area. You can amp it up or keep it really natural. And a cool thing about this palette, she wanted to make this palette for pretty much everyone. So if you're new to makeup, this would be a good palette for you. And if you're a little bit more experienced, it's still a good palette. So these right here, actually, there's Macchiato, this shade right here. This shade right here. She said it's actually really good for a highlight shade, which is very creamy, and I can see that being a highlight shade. It's like super duper pretty. Vanilla Cream, this shade right here is yellow, which she does use also for underneath the eye, just to brighten the under eye. So if your under eye is a little bit dark, yeah, that's you, girl. Hazelnut and Caramel, these 2 shades right here can be used as bronzers. So these are 3 of the neutral shades, right? And these are 3 of the colorful matte shades. And then here are the 3 shimmer shades, which you can see are very, very pigmented and they're like super creamy. Yeah, dude, look at my mirror. Do you see how dirty that is? First, I'm going to go into Caramel, this shade right here, just as my transition shade. Okay, so first impression on the eyeshadow so far, I'm using Caramel. There is a little bit of fallout, you can see, but it's nothing crazy. They are super creamy, like it blends very, very easy. So that's really nice, especially if you're starting with makeup. This would be a good palette because it's not going to be super hard to blend. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with Pumpkin Spice, this shade right here. And I'm just going to keep that one in my crease. Now Pumpkin Spice, looking at it, this one does have a little bit more fallout than the shade Caramel did. See how it blends. Wow. It's actually really pigmented. And I don't know what kind of look I'm doing. I'm going to try to use most of the shades in the palette just so I can get an idea of how well they work and how well they blend, how everything looks. I don't know why when I do like eyeshadow, I'm like... Alright, next I'm going to go in with Double Shot, this purple shade right here. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid. So the purple shade, I'm having a little bit more trouble blending. It is very pretty. It just, the purple shade I've noticed just doesn't blend as nice as the orange shade. And I do love, there's like no fallout whatsoever on the, below my eye. Alright, and I'm just going to take a Morphe 441 brush and take that shade inside. So yeah, the only issue that I am having, which you can see right here, I feel like I have that like straight line and it's not wanting to blend whatsoever. So yeah, guys, I don't know if it's me or if it's the shadow. But this side is like, this purple is not wanting to blend for me. Guys, it feels like I've been blending forever. No joke. Yeah. So the purple shade I'm not a fan of. It's really pretty. I just feel like it's just like harder to blend. I don't know if it's me or like if you can even see it on camera. I don't even know if it's showing up. But this is what it looks like, and this is like me after I built it up a couple of times. So next I'm going to go in with Mocha, this deeper shade right here, just to make the outer corner a little bit darker. And I'm just packing that on and flicking the product out. And I'm taking that all the way into the corner because I do want to do a half cut crease. I'm going to go ahead in with my Urban Decay Naked Concealer. Guys, I feel like I always do this. Like, only when I'm recording. Come on! I'm so mad, y'all. Like, I really dug my nail through 2 of the shades. Not 1, 2. I'm going to take a Sigma E55, just a little shader brush, and I'm going to go into Macchiato, this shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that on the lid. So far, the shimmers are very pigmented and they're super creamy. Like, it's just blending out very, very easily. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Creme Brulee and put that towards the middle. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. I love the shimmer shades. The only shade, like I said, is the purple. It's kind of, maybe I just need to work with it a little bit more. But so far, I really like the way that it's turning out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my E25 brush, and this is just a little fluffy brush. I'm going to take that purple shade and go ahead and pack that on and start to blend in. Now this side, for some reason, this does not want to blend. Maybe it's just this eye. Maybe it's something on this eye. So on the bottom, I'm going to go into Pumpkin Spice, that orange shade, and I'm just going to keep that on my bottom lashes. I'm just taking the flat shade, the Morphe 432 brush, and I'm going back into that blue shade, and I'm just putting a little bit closer to my lash line. Now the blue shade does have a little bit more fallout than the other shades, but nothing too crazy. So next I'm going to go into Pumpkin Spice, get a little bit on my brush, and then just soften that blue shade. And just to add a pop of color on the bottom, I'm going to go in with a Revlon eyeliner, and this is in the shade Teal, and I'm going to pop that right on my bottom lash line, just to give a pop to that blue shade that's on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Sigma E36 brush, and I'm just going to go in and with that purple shade, just deepen this up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and test out Macchiato for a highlight, which I do have a little bit of highlight on now, but I want to see if it like intensifies it. Wow. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm wearing this tomorrow. Do you guys see that? Like, look at that. This is what I have on already. And then... I love the way that the eyeshadow turned out. The only issue I did have with the palette was the purple. I couldn't get to blend for some reason. But I'm thinking it was just me because this eye I couldn't get it to blend for, and this eye blended out fine. It was just a little bit patchy. That was the only issue. Other than that, I tried to use pretty much every shade in the palette. This would be a really good palette if you do travel a lot. If you don't like taking a lot of palettes with you, this one you could use all in one. Because you could use, like I said, like you can use as a bronzer, as a highlight, the under eye to set your palette, like with a powder. I think it's perfect. And these shades you can use every single day, and then you have like pops of color in there as well. Wait. I didn't even use my inner corner.
Yes, girl, yes.
That makes me so mad. So I just filmed all that and I didn't even have my inner corner highlighted. Come on, Steph. Alright, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way that this came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Yeah, what are you waiting for? Okay. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Peace!